So I'm going to show you how your favorite music producers are stealing chords, melodies from other top producers and turning them into a banger music or a banger beat. This is super simple. By the end of today's video, you can actually steal any chords or melodies from any song that you want. You ready? Let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually steal any chord progression, any melody from other top producers and turn them into a banger, Afrobeat, amapiano. Think of any genre you can steal from them. But what you need to do is to pay attention to the tricks that I'm going to show you. Make sure you subscribe, join this community, give the video a like. So guys, what we're going to do is super simple. We are in FL Studio now. So first thing first, let's grab any guitar melody. Okay. So I'm gonna stick to this. After getting the loop, the guitar or any melody that you wanna steal the chords or melodies, all you need to do is to just drag and drop. Just drag and drop it over here. Alright, and next thing I said, pay attention. Next thing you have to do is to detect the right tempo. Alright, so let me reset this to 150. Alright, so next thing you need to do is to detect the right tempo, and to do that all you need to do is to click over here. Alright, then go to detect tempo, and as you can see, this sample came with tempo information embedded, 105 BPM. Alright, so all you need to do is to click on 155 into bracket embedded, and this is gonna set the right tempo for you. Hit yes. Super simple. So now let's change it to song and listen to this. Alright, so guys, after deciding that you want to use this particular loop and get the melodies or the chords from this, all you need to do is to double click and route this loop to the mixer track. So I'm going to route it to mixer track 1. Next is to open the mixer track, and let me change the color so that you can actually see what you are doing. Change it to this color, hit accept. Alright, so as you can see over here, so now the loop is routed onto the mixer track. Next, we're gonna use a plugin called Melodyne. Alright, we're gonna load Melodyne. So this is the secret plugin that the top producers are using to steal chords and melodies, and I'm gonna show you how to use this. Alright, you can actually adjust the size to whatever that you want, like this, and pay attention. We're gonna do some settings over here. What I'm going to tell you is to click on algorithm, go to set default, and make sure it is polyphonic sustain. Select this one, then also go to options, make sure you check show keys and also show chords. Alright, make sure you check mark all these. Next, make sure it is on song mode. Then what you need to do is to click on transfer over here, pay attention, then hit on play over here. So it's gonna play in the Melodyne. Everything gonna show in the Melodyne. So let's do that. Alright, so as you can see, polyphonic detection. So you're gonna wait for this thing to finish. Polyphonic detection, boom. Now guys, look at the magic over here. This has detected the melodies and the chord, everything you need to do. So you're gonna ask me how this gonna work. It's super simple. It's also gonna show you the key over here. As you can see, C sharp minor. All right, now how do you turn this into MIDI chords and play the same instrument? What you need to do is to click on settings, but before then, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like, let me know where you are watching me from. All you need to do is to click on settings over here and head over to save as MIDI. All right, then from here, what you need to do is to give it a name. All right, so let's call it Guitar Melody 2. All right, super simple. Then hit save. Right after this, make sure you put the key in your head. So C sharp minor, close that. Then you can actually enable or disable Melodyne, delete, then even mute the guitar melody here. Okay, so for now, let's enable it. Now guys, next thing you need to do is to load any instrument. So first, create a pattern, place it under it, then load any instrument. But the best advice that I'm going to tell you is to always start with FL keys and always choose the grand piano, and this is going to help you hear the notes perfectly before changing that instrument. All right, so what you need to do next is to right click and go to piano roll option, and guys, let's go to piano roll options here, files, import MIDI files. All right, and now just choose or locate the destination where you save the MIDI. So I'm gonna choose this. As you can see, Guitar Melody 2, hit accept. And guys, as you can see over here, so after loading, all you need to do is to hit Alt plus Q to quantize everything, then hit accept. That's pretty simple. Now let's listen to this if it sounds well. If not, all you need to do is to correct some of the notes here if they are not on point, or delay some notes. That's gonna make the thing sound different. So now let's play it and listen. So after playing it and you find any note that is not playing well, all you need to do is to mute it, and guys, just bypass it. Once you are done with the grand piano and everything sounds great, they are on point, all you need to do is to go for the right instrument. So what I'm going to do is to load a span. All right, then I'm gonna select electric pianos, and guys, choose Suite E pianos. Super simple. Next, I'm gonna copy this, then paste it over here. Let's mute the FL keys, and now listen to this. That's super simple. Let's compare that to the main loop. All right, listen. That's crazy. So after that, you can actually delete the main loop, then just go for another pattern, add your drums. Super simple, guys, and you are cool to go. Crazy. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like if it helps you. All right, so let's add some drums. Alright, we're gonna go to the piano roll, hit Ctrl B to fill the rest of the bar. Super simple. Go for kick. Let's add something. Crazy. Go to the piano roll option, just fill the rest of the bar. This is super simple, guys. You can actually turn any melody that you steal from your favorite producers or chords and turn them into a banger, Afrobeat, or anything that you want. Super simple, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Let's go for shaker loops. That's simple. Shaker loops. If you don't know how to use shaker loops or use loops, watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Play with the time mode, control the volume a little bit. Fill the rest of the bars, hit Ctrl B. Alright, you can keep on adding anything that you want. I'm going to support this with this. Super simple. Don't do things crazy. Ctrl B. Copy this one, paste it here, and I'm going to control it. Alright guys, so if you're gonna follow this, you can actually steal, copy, detect any chord progressions from your top favorite music producers and turn them into a banger Afrobeat. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is God Sai. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.